everybody! So I'm back with a spring cleaning project. One of my goals this year has been to get organized, get my life, and just get it together, right? The first place I'm going to tackle and the first place I'm going to get organized is my bedroom. That's just such a neglected space. You just throw things here, throw things there, and next thing you know, it's disorganized. It's not a happy place to be in. And if you think about it, that's what you see first thing in the morning. You open your eyes and it's your bedroom. And I want a space that inspires me to get up and take on the day. I don't want a space that makes me feel like, oh my gosh, the work starts now. So, the first thing I'm going to take on is my dresser top. It is so cluttered, so disorganized. It needs help, y'all. So stay tuned, we're going to do it right now. Okay, so right now this is the current state of my dresser. It has two jewelry organizers on it. I have this bag right here of more organizers that I'm going to use to clean up this space. I also have my Vice in All the World on here. That's all my magazines, rando pens. Yeah, I'm in love with pens and magazines. I also have like a random pack of batteries. So yeah, this space definitely needs to get cleaned up, and you're about to see it happen right now. So there you have it. I have my two jewelry organizers. It used to bother me that they were two different colors, but as you can see, the necklace organizer has both the coppery gold color and the white color on it, so I think it ties it together. And it's really doing a beautiful job of holding all my really long necklaces. I almost feel like, yes, I could wear my necklaces just like that. And then I have my magazine organizer, and wow, now it looks so much neater, so much neater. If you see up there, I have my brushes organized perfectly. I'm so happy that I refigured those jars. So the far left jar has all my brushes, then the middle jar has the eye products that I use almost every day, and then my lip jar has some of the lipsticks that I wear every day. And that's perfect because they just tend to pile up in my purses, and to the point where I don't know where my favorite lip products are because they're always in my purse. So my thought is that if I have that jar dedicated to lips, when I put my purses away, I can just easily drop all the lipsticks that are inside the purse in there. So here you have it. It's organized just the way I like it, and clean, and I can't wait to just incorporate this into my new get ready routine. So there you have it. I know I didn't do a ton of talking while I was cleaning, but you could see everything that I was doing, and I picked organizers that I thought would really help me make that space functional as well as beautiful, and I just love it now. It's so clean, it's so accessible in terms of things that I wanted to put on there, my jewelry, my makeup. And I have a picture that is on Instagram right now that shows some artwork, inspiring artwork that I put there. So now it's also inspirational space. If you want more cleaning inspiration, I have a post on my blog about my spring closet clean out. There's some helpful tips in there about what to do with your own closet. If you like this kind of video, let me know in the comments below. So this is my inside table, if you will, or cart, and as you can see, this area is just a hot mess.